Good afternoon, everyone. This is Ishan Ali. So today I'm going to talk about on managing project resources. Today is my presentation. So first of all, I will talk about the introduction. I will introduce about food waste reduction app. So there are 4 points. So I will discuss one by one. The first one is global food waste crisis. The second one is technology as a solution. The third one is project objective, and the fourth one is resources objectives. So highlighting the urgency to address the annual waste of one third of all food produced. Second one is technology as a solution. That how technology use in food waste reduction app. Exploring how innovative apps can revolutionize food distribution. The third one is project objective. There are three objectives project. Like one is connect surplus food providers to consumers and charities. The second is minimize food wastage. The third one is support sustainable efforts. And the fourth is resource management. So resource how many resources you use for food waste production. The first one is focus on efficient use of technology and human resources. So how is impact on efficiency? Improved resources utilization reduce overall project costs, enhances the effectiveness of food distribution networks. So now I will tell about the purpose of the food waste reduction app. What is the purpose? Uh, so first one is primary goal. What is my primary goal to make a food waste reduction app? So reduce food waste effectively through technology. So connective stakeholder like links. I will link with supermarkets, with restaurants, and other food providers, with consumers and charities. So what is the benefits? Like two benefits, key benefits. The first one is significantly reduce food wastage. The second one is enhance environmental sustainability. So the fourth one is target users, supermarkets and grocery stores. And the second one is like our target use supermarkets and grocery stores, the restaurants and cafes. The third one is individual consumers seeking to purchase surplus. So fifth, so sorry, so fifth community centric approach engages local communities in sustainable food management. So discourages participation from various community groups and sustainable. And so now I'm going to talk about the project initiation and scope definition. So the first scope definition is develop an app connecting food providers with surplus food to charities and consumers. The second one is resources identification, key technologies like sources, key technology like mobile app platforms, cloud storage. The second one is human resources like developers, project managers, marketers. The third one is like initial assumption. So initial assumption is one is mark, market readiness for new food redistribution solutions. The second one is availability of advanced technology for app development. The fourth is feasibility study outcomes. So the first one is positive market response anticipated. The second one is technical feasibility confirmed with current technologies. So the fifth strategic importance is addresses a critical global issue. So the second is sport environmental sustainability initiative. The sixth one is stakeholder management. Early involvement of food providers and NGOs. So now I'm going to next. So it's my project planning. So first of all, I will talk about the resource allocation strategy. So allocate technical and human resources based on project phases and needs. The second is technology stack selection. So decision between native and cross-platform based on target audience and budget. The third is cost estimation methods. Employ bottom-up estimation for detailed, accurate budgeting, shen- uh, scenario planning. The third one is what is my scenario planning? So scenario planning, optimistic scenario, high adaptation and smooth development. The second is pessimistic scenario, like low adoption and development challenges. So the third one is most likely scenario is steady adoption and with manageable issues. So, and the fifth point is development of contingency plans. So, predefined action for risks like technology delays or budget overruns. The sixth most important point is risk management. So, I think so. Risk management is very important in every business. Are you are doing any business? Are you doing anything like risk management is very important. So, comprehensive risk assessment and mitigation strategy. So regular updates and engagements with stakeholders to align expectations and feedback. Now I'm going next. So this is my project execution. Like efficient, there are like say 6 to 7 points for my project execution. Efficient rollout of development teams and technology infrastructure. Implement EVA to EVA to track and compare planned cost, actual cost, and earned value. Use EVA data for real-time project performance assessment. So adjust strategies and resources allocation based on EVA insights. So external factors management, monitor and respond to market changes and technologies, updates and stakeholders feedback. Maintain continuous communication with all stakeholders to ensure alignment and address concerns promptly. So check the quality checks to ensure products meets predefined standard and other users expectation. So this was my project execution. Now I'm going next. So this is my project closure. Evaluate how effectively resources are used compared to the plan. So compare final outcome with initial project scope, budget, and timeline. If we compare for our final outcome, what we gain from our projects. And the third is point is record insights and improvements learned throughout the project life cycle. Sorry. So the fourth point is complete and prepare all project components for deployment and use. The uh, second last point is transition project deliverables to client or operational team for ongoing use. The sixth and last point is conduct a review to ensure the app meets user needs and operational requirements. So this is my resource management, technology, software development tools, serviceware clouds, services, labor, developer, designers, marketer, project manager, funding for investors, operational revenues, regular assessment to ensure optimal use of technology and human resources, implement and like strategic deployment of resources based on project phase needs and priorities, something like this. So this is my cost management, like direct cost, indirect cost, detailed categorization, implementation of advanced uh, scheduled financial assessment to align. So I think so, and that is the end of my presentation. So thank you so much.